What's up y'all, Ruben here with Urban EDC Supply. Today we're going to take a look at installing a glow insert in your Tain Aurora. This is going to give your new favorite EDC light an extra pop of color, and if you like to tinker and want to upgrade an already awesome light, it will be well worth the minimal cost and time that this takes. This is not intended as an overview video, so I won't be going over specifications, but if that's something you'd like to see in the future video, let us know in the comments below. To get this done, we're just going to need a few things. First, we need a Tain Aurora, obviously, and a glow insert that you can purchase on our shop at urbanedcsupply.com. And you also need a tool to remove the brass engine from the head. Now, I should have had a pair of fine point tweezers, but the only thing I had available at the time was a set of calipers that we use for measuring things around the office. Either way, we got it done with that. To get at the light engine, we'll need to unscrew the head and remove the AAA cell. Set the battery and the body aside for now. The engine is down in there, so we'll need a pair of fine point tweezers to fit into the two grooves cut on opposite sides of the brass engine. A word to the wise, having the right tools will make this job a lot easier. Getting the calipers to sit in the grooves was proving quite difficult, so the best way that I found to do this was to hold the head firm with my left hand, and by applying pressure with my right hand, I would just twist the left and get it to come out. And here's what that looks like close up. Once you have that backed out, go ahead and remove the brass light engine. You'll see on one side the contact, the other side with the board and LED mounted on it. Go ahead and set the engine aside. In front of the engine, we also have an orange peel reflector helping to focus and smooth the output coming out of this little guy. And now that we have the light fully disassembled, we'll take our green glow insert. First, we'll need to remove the center portion of this. I'm using a knife here in the video, but I wouldn't suggest that. Again, just take your tweezers and be careful pulling that part out. Not sure exactly what kind of adhesive this is using, but it's very strong, so you know once it sets in place it won't shift on you, but it also makes taking it off of this tiny backing paper pretty tricky. Moving along, take the brass engine and insert. Be very careful when placing the insert over the LED as not to touch the dome of the LED, because it can damage pretty easily. It bears repeating, once the adhesive of the backside is pressed up against anything, it's not easy to remove. So with the utmost care, line up the insert over the LED and work around the inside edges of the cutout till you have it aligned to your level of perfection. I'm pretty happy with it there, so you'll see me tamping it down with the edge of the blade there. Don't want to put too much pressure as to damage the board that it's on, but another way to do this is to use the reflector. Just kind of set the reflector on top of the engine there and press down on it. Place the reflector and the light engine back in the head, and just like before, use your tweezers to screw it back down. Once that's hand tight, go ahead and take the body of the light, drop your battery in there, positive side towards the tail, and reassemble. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.